The United Democratic Party UDP, in a meeting held today, had officially announced the names of candidates who would be contesting in the General Assembly elections of the state in 2023 from the Garo Hills. The candidates were welcomed by State President of the party and also Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, in the presence of the party's General Secretary Dr. Jemino Mawthoh, Cabinet Minister Kyrmen Shylla, Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tito, Chyne, besides others. Dr. Jemino Mawthoh, while announcing the names of the candidates, informed that as per the selection of the State Election Committee of the UDP, the party has approved 2 candidates from West Garo Hills that include former MLA and MDC John Leslie Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura constituency, and Dr. Pilne Sangma, who will be contesting from 50 North Tura constituency.
2019, Mr. John Leslie Sangma.
Thank you.
Tell all of you here that as a party, this upcoming election, we could see that the people of the state looks up to us as the biggest regional party in the state. And we are pleased to have with us altogether 34 candidates whom we have already finalized. In a very short span of time, we will again come out with another list of candidates, out of which 5 of them are the sitting legislators.